I can't. I can't film an intro. I can't do it. Like, it's always an intro or an outro that messes me up. I can't do this. I can't do this. Okay. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me video. I'm getting ready to go watch the show choir state competition. One of my groups from my school made it in, so I'm gonna go support my friends and support my school. So I'm just gonna be doing my makeup and everything for you guys, and I'm sorry if my voice sounds like ridiculously deep or like unnormally deep. I've been kind of sick this week on and off, so I'm just kind of getting over that right now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I guess let's just go watch me get ready. Hi guys, so as you can tell, I already have my eyebrows done. I didn't want to put that in the video just because it's just a longer, unnecessary step. So like, today I'm getting ready to go to the state show choir competition. I am really excited to go watch my friends, and yeah. So first I'm going to be using the Nivea Men's Post Shaving Balm for my primer. This stuff just rocks. If you know who Nikki Tutorials is, if you don't know who Nikki Tutorials is, like, that's kind of weird because she's like very, very popular. But she uses this as a primer, or used it once and like made it like a huge craze, and so I'm using it now because I want to be like her. My group, which is the unisex group, which is all girls, did not make state this year, which is really, honestly, like, bums me out a lot. I'm not even gonna lie. This channel is not about show choir, but like, I'm gonna make it about show choir for a minute. We had an incredible year this year. Our show was great. We placed like top 3 at every competition, and so I'm really happy with how we did this year. And we just got scored really low. A lot of schools got scored very low at the competitions we went to, which your scores, like number-wise, is what gets you into state. So we didn't make it, but our mixed group did from our school, so I'm really excited to go watch them. Oh man, I'm really excited to go watch them today because like a ton of my really good friends are in the mixed group. So the foundation I just used is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the color Soft Ivory. I just recently, well, not just recently, at the beginning of the season, the show choir season, I bought this foundation. And I really like it. It's really nice, and it does look good in pictures. So, and the thing I like about this is it's like you can build the coverage, so like it's not full coverage when you first put it on, but you can make it full coverage. I honestly am not a big fan of full coverage foundations, because I feel like after I get like all my like contour and everything on, I feel like if I used a full coverage foundation, it just doesn't look right. Okay, I cannot, like, I don't know if I'm the only one that does this, but I cannot have foundation on my lips. Like, I just can't. It makes me feel ugly and disgusting, and I don't understand how some people really like walk out the house with foundation on their lips. Like, girl, I do not see that. Do not see that on your face. I'm going to be using the Dream Lumi Touch Highlighting Concealer from Maybelline in the shade, I don't know what shade this is in, so yeah. I took my nails off last night, which like I didn't have acrylics. I had the like dip powder nail thing. Some people really don't know what that is, and like I'm just like, what? I had that for the longest time. And like I got acrylics. That one vlog I posted, I feel like it was like my second vlog that I did, but I posted like I got my nails done, my acrylics, okay, and they like looked really good, whatever. And like after I had those, like I broke one at rehearsal, and I was just like, you know what, I'm done with acrylics. Like, I'm just done. I love acrylics. Like, I think they are beautiful. I break them like way too easily. They just snap right in half, and it just sucks. And it's just too expensive, and so I just went back to getting the dip again, which is like my natural nails, just because like of like show choir season and being really busy. I don't have a job, and so it's really hard to like afford getting my nails done and like pay for everything else. Not everything else, but like, you know what I mean. I'm a teenager. My parents pay for a lot of my things. I took the powder off and everything, and so I just have clear coats on my nails right now. Like, I've been consistently getting my nails done for like over a year now, so like it's kind of weird not having a manicure. That sounds so like spoiled and like, but I pay for it on my own, so like don't drag me. Next for my contouring, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation stick in the shade, I feel like this is coconut. Yeah, coconut, and I'm just gonna, you'll see where I apply this at. So right now at my house, I have 3 dogs, and so I have like a black lab. She's actually a golden retriever, a yellow lab. I don't know if those are things. I have a corgi Sheltie mix, her name's Jessie, and the black lab is Shadow. We have a bulldog beagle mix, and he is a puppy. We got him at a horse show in October. And so we have 3 dogs, and like my house is literally like a petting zoo. Like, we have horses, dogs, cats. Like, we have so much stuff in my house, so many animals in my house. My friend Bree, who I don't know if she'll come in here or not while I'm filming this, but she's one of our really good family friends, and she's here right now for the weekend. She's dog sitting, and she brought the cutest little puppy. His name's Bixler. He's a German Shepherd. I don't know what his other mix is. So he's here, and so we have 4 dogs in my house right now, and it's just like, it's crazy, but I love it. I'm gonna be setting my concealer with the Maybelline. Oh my gosh, Maybelline sponsor me. I've used so many Fit Me products in this video already. This is the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder in the shade Classic Ivory. So I'm just gonna, you know, do that under my eyes and like everywhere else except for my contour, basically. I was gonna put on fake eyelashes today, but I'm really just not feeling it. I've been wearing fake eyelashes every weekend for the past like month, and I'm just not feeling it. I can't find my bronzer brush. Okay, well, I'm gonna be using this brush for my bronzer. No, I don't want to use this. Okay. Hold on. I found a brush that is good enough. This is the Morphe M527. I haven't been saying the names of the brushes I'm using, so I'm sorry. I'm using the Anastasia contour kit. I'm gonna be using these 2 colors. I don't know what the names of these are, but whatever. Anyway, so I used to be like huge into makeup, and like I used to do my makeup all the time. If you like go stalk my Instagram, I have so many like looks. Like I hate to brag on myself, but I think I did some pretty good stuff. Like, I had some pretty good moments with my makeup, and I was good at it. And that's when I did YouTube videos about it. Okay, so I'm using the RCMA translucent powder to bake underneath my contour. But, so I used to make like the YouTube videos of like the makeup tutorials and everything, and they were cute, and then I deleted all of them. Okay. So now for like the best part of doing your makeup. Okay, so for my highlight, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. Girl, this is busted too. I'm gonna be using all 3 of these colors. But before, I'm gonna be spraying, this is the Morphe M501, best highlighting brush ever. But I'm gonna spray it with some Mario Badescu. Wait, that did not get wet at all. Yeah. I love highlighter. It just makes me feel like less insecure. Yeah, girl. Work. Okay, anyway. Okay, so now I'm gonna be nose contouring. I know that this is called Fawn. One of these is Havana. One of these 2 is Havana. I don't know which one, but I know this color is called Fawn. So I'm gonna use that on this little, this is like a Mary Kay brush. It doesn't even have a name on it, but I'm gonna use that to nose contour. I like my nose a lot. I think my nose is really cute and like little, but I don't nose contour that often. Well, I do every time, but I don't do it that like intensely. Like James Charles nose contour, girl, like he goes in on his nose contour and like it looks really good. But I just don't do that because I like my nose. I want it to have definition, but like I don't want it to be not look like my nose. You know what I'm saying? But so this is the same powder, same face powder I used, and this is the Morphe. Oh, it doesn't have a number on it, but I love this brush. I use this brush all the time for everything. I love a good nose highlight. Ooh, hi. What if I just left it like that, like didn't blend it at all? That would be horrible. I would expect all of you to be mean to me if I left it like that, because that's just ridiculous. Okay, so for my eyebrow highlight, I'm gonna be using this color from the Morphe 350. I use this before I put the shimmer on my eyebrow because I feel like it kind of intensifies that highlight. You honestly can't even see that much, but I don't know, I feel like it helps lift the brows up, you know? Then I'm gonna be using this little brush. I literally don't even know. I can't, but spraying that, of course. Same highlighter on my eyebrow. I also love eyebrow highlights. I feel like highlighting your eyebrow just hits, like in pictures and stuff, especially if you use your angles. My neighbor pulls in the driveway so fast sometimes, I'm literally like, slow down. I'm sorry, my neighbor, if you saw that. I'm not trying to be mean. You catch my eye sometimes when you're driving fast. Like when I take pictures and stuff, or like my friend Peyton, love you Peyton, he is a photographer, and so like in the summer we took so many pictures together, and like he came over like a couple weeks ago and hung out and we took some pictures. Like it just happens, you know, like he always has his camera with him. And I just feel like when my whole entire face is highlighted, it just looks so good on camera. It's like the sun is just like attracted to me, which is how I want my life to be, but like I'm pale. So yeah, I'm like disgustingly pale. Oh my god, that's disgusting. I'm gonna be using the Milani Rose blush in the color Romantic Rose, which is like really pretty mauve pink, right up my alley. This brush, this is a Lisa Frank brush. Yeah, Lisa Frank. I don't know why I thought I was saying that wrong. This is a Lisa Frank brush, and I got it in an Ipsy bag, and it's my favorite. Now I'm going to set my eyebrows with the NYX Proof It Waterproof Mascara Coat. This is clear. Well, actually, when I take this out of the bottle, it's gonna look brown just because I always use it on my eyebrows. But this can go like on your lashes, on your eyebrows, but it's a waterproof top coat and smudge proof and all that stuff. And I bought this when I went to Mexico, and I've just had it. It works really well. Like my eyebrows don't smudge. But I will say, after I apply it, I just go through with a regular dry spoolie and just kind of make sure it gets evenly out, because sometimes the spoolie that it comes with can make it like apply kind of weird. I'm gonna be using my favorite lip combo today, which is the NYX. My dog is being very disruptive. The NYX Slide On Glide On Lip Liner in the shade Nude Suede Shoes. Y'all know, actually I'm gonna have to use mine. Why are they barking? Okay. I just use the MAC Velvet Teddy lipstick. I like this lipstick a lot. I'm trying to decide if I should put on lip gloss or if I should just leave it. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and bearing with me. This video for some reason was like very weird for me to film. I don't know why. It just felt very weird sitting here like doing my makeup in front of the camera. But yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. All my social media and everything will be in the description box below, and make sure you subscribe for, you know, other videos like this that are gonna be funny. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.